In this video, I will show you how to watch Telegram movies without downloading. At the most basic level, Telegram does many of the things you'd expect from an instant messaging app, including text message, group chats, voice and video calls, stickers, and file sharing. However, there's more going on under the surface. You can watch movies in Telegram. How? To watch movies on Telegram without even downloading it, first you must search and find the movie bot on Telegram. Telegram offers a wide variety of bots that allows you to watch movies directly on the platform. You just have to use the search bar to find a bot that offers movies and series to watch online. Next, you have to open Telegram and start a new conversation with the selected bot. Once you have found a movie bot on Telegram, you can start a new conversation by clicking on the name of the bot and then start. Next, you have to explore the catalog of available movies. Once you have started a conversation with the bot, you'll be able to see all the available movie options. Generally, bots offer recent and classic movies to watch online, typically Wicked and any genre that you want to watch. Last is you have to select the movie you want to watch, and once you have browsed the movie catalog, you just have to choose the one you want to watch by clicking on its name or the link provided by the bot. Then you can enjoy the movie directly on Telegram. Once you have selected the movie, the platform will allow you to play it directly in the conversation without having to download it. You can enjoy the movie online conveniently with the Telegram app. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helps you out.